And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. Quail eggs, and I'm going to show you how to fry these tiny eggs. So, let's create. I have the pot at relatively high heat. Small pot, see, I can fit my, well, actually pan, small pan, I can fit my hand in it. I'm going to use some butter. I choose ghee, you can use any butter. Let it melt. So what you're going to do, you're going to crack the quail. Lower the heat to not just so above medium high. Do the same for the other quail, carefully. This egg, the shells are a little bit harder to crack. And I don't want to fully fry them. You know, I want some of the yolk to stay soft. You can put a little bit of salt if you want to, a little bit of pepper. That's it.